What's up, beautiful? Welcome back. If you are new to this, I am Zakia, aka KB Natural. Today I am going to be showing you how I blow out my hair. I haven't done this in so long. So I'm using this Revlon blow dryer brush and I have some heat protecting here. I will leave all of that information in the description box. So I have some tools as well that I'll be using. I got my Felicia brush and then I got my wide tooth comb. So I'll be using those two as my tools today. I typically do not use tools, but today I am blow drying, so I need to make sure that everything is nice and straightened out. So of course, before you start, you want to make sure that you are combing out your hair. So from the tips and then work your way to the roots and just make sure your hair is smooth out to get it prepared for your blow dry. Like I said, I haven't blow dried my hair. It's been 8 months since I've had blown out hair, since 8 months since I've had straightened hair. So it's been a while. So I'm so excited to get this process started today. So I'm just taking my detangling brush and just making sure that that is super smooth out. So everything is all good for this blow dry girl. I'm also taking this Gabrielle Union heat protectant. This is a new line, so I'm interested to see how this is gonna be. A little goes a long way, so make sure that you are working that in. If you do put enough in, just make sure you are working all of that in to make sure your hair is nice and protected. And then I'm just going to take that detangling brush again to work that product in because I want to make sure my hair is super protected. So I'm taking this Revlon brush. It is amazing. So it's super simple, and see how easy my hair just glides through that brush. That's why it's so important to detangle your hair before, and then the heat just comes out of the holes that's behind the brush bristles. So it was a very easy process, and I really enjoyed this blow drying brush, and it was only about $60. So it wasn't super expensive or anything like that. And man, it's really good. See how simple it's used. It's handheld. You don't need any extra tools. It's perfect. Sorry guys, I did blow out the back, but I forgot to film that part. So I'm going to show you me filming the front part of my hair and blow drying that out. So again, once again, you want to take your wide tooth comb and just make sure that you are combing from your tips, work your way to the roots, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. I got some little dust in my hair because I was trying to find something earlier before I did this. You also want to make sure your hair is washed. So my hair is washed. I did deep condition. I did everything I would do if I were doing a wash and go or anything like that, or protective style or whatever. I did everything. I just used a lighter leave-in conditioner so my hair won't be weighed down after I blow dried it. Just want to make sure all of your hair is clean. You do not want to do this on filthy, dirty hair, day 7 hair or anything like that. Make sure you wash your hair before you do this. Like I said, this brush, this blow drying brush, is so simple to use. It's not as bulky as it looks. It does look bulky in the camera as I'm looking at it now, but it's not bulky at all. It is so simple. It's so easy to glide onto my hair. And I had this on low heat. Did I have this on high? There's 3 settings. There's cool, low, and then there's high. I had this on low heat and it worked fine for me, and I got this done pretty quick. I will highly recommend it. It was probably one of my favorite heating products that I've used, like blow drying. It's one of my favorite that I've ever used. So basically what I did was I just sectioned my hair off and then just, separated it with twists as you've seen in the beginning of this video. And then it kind of makes it easier and more simple for blow drying and just making sure that you are getting every single part of your hair. So that is the importance of sectioning off your hair before you blow dry. I got some in my eye right here, so don't mind me, honey. And then, of course, like I said, I'm just working all of that through to make sure that heat protecting is getting in. And I think this heat protectant protects like up to 420 or 450 degrees or something like that, between that amount. So it's supposed to be really good. So we will see at the end how well this heat protectant does, or even on my next wash and go. Hopefully I won't have any damage. But like I said, I used low heat and I used the heat protectant, so I'm not expecting any damage. So I'm just showing you the 3 settings here, and all you do is just twist it, the bottom, to whatever setting that you want. And then of course you just go ahead and blow dry. You can use a cool setting if you like. I will not recommend to use a high setting because that is the highest and you will get the most heat out of that, and we want to avoid heat damage. So that is the importance of using like cool to low heat. When I blow dry my hair, I do like to get my roots. So I make sure that my roots are smooth. I'll make sure that it's dry, and then, you know, just work it on through all the way until your tips. So this is the front half of my head. I just went through it again with a cool setting just to kind of like make sure that I got everything that I needed out of this half of my head and make sure that it was properly blow dried to the best of its ability. And y'all, I am really, really proud of myself. Like, it looks so good. I'm proud of this growth. I'm just excited. I was so excited to do this, as you can see. So excited. And then I'll take out the back of my hair so you can see how that is. And again, I'm just going through it with the cool setting. Look at that. Look at all of that length. Like, girl, I'm excited for this. Look at that. Yes. Yes, honey. Yes. Proud of myself. Proud, girl. So I'm just going to speed this part up. I'm going to show you exactly how I do the other side of my hair, just so you can see the start to end. Done, y'all. Look at that. Look at that growth. Y'all, I am so excited and I'm so proud that I stuck with this journey for this long, and I know that I have so much more to go. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one because I'm going to show you how I trim my ends after this blow dry. Enjoyed this video? Make sure you hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the team. Yes, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I'll see you next time.